My beautiful girls are back. How was your trip? Did you guys enjoy yourself? I hope next time I get to come. Olivia, you got a tan. You look nice. How's my baby doing?
Daddy, we went to so much places. We went to the river and we went to the beach. I had such a great time.
My love, are you alright? Did you enjoy yourself? Hello, Diana. I'm Adam. It's very nice to meet you. Oh, you look just like your mother.
It's nice to meet you too. Where's my room so I can put my suitcases there? I'm really tired from the flight.
Oh, sure. Your room is down the hall on the left. It's really nice. We set it up just for you. And there's a computer in there too. Make yourself feel right at home. Your family, okay? We took that picture last year. Don't worry, like how you're here now, we're gonna update it into a new one. We're all family here. Don't worry.
I'm gonna go in my room.
Sure thing. We're gonna Uber dinner. Do you like Chinese food or do you want Jamaican food? Hello, Diana. You already registered for school, so you start today. Um, your mother think it's best if you take the bus. Are you okay with that?
Yeah, that's fine. I'm just gonna bathe and go get dressed. Thanks for everything, Adam. I appreciate it.
Don't worry. There's breakfast on the table if you're hungry. I'll see you later, okay? Have a good day at school. I know you enjoy it.
Hello, Junior. Walk on. It's so cold here and miserable. I don't like it. And you know, so she make me take the bus car school. My first day of school, she make me take the bus. And I told them off care too. Can you believe it? She not even make me feel like I'm home. I really miss you guys. I'm not lie. I don't want to stay here long. Hopefully I get to come back to Jamaica. I don't like it here. It's just cold and miserable and boring.
We're sharing the bathroom, so that door leads to my room, and the other door leads to your room. You can brush your teeth in here, and you can get ready for school.
Yeah, I know. I'm gonna get ready now, Olivia, okay? I'm gonna be late.
Mom said you're not going to private school like me, but I think public school is gonna be more fun for you. Private school is kind of boring anyway, but I hope you enjoy yourself. Bye.
Well, You must be the new student. Your name is Diana, isn't it? Go sit down and take your seat. But wait, they said you just came in from Jamaica. Do you need to join ESL? What's ESL? It's where you go when you don't speak English very well. But it seems like your English is fine. Yeah, my English is alright. Where in Jamaica are you from? Oh, I lived in Portmore. Oh, that's where Dwayne is from, my ex-boyfriend. He left me for someone else. I never got over it. I'm sorry. Go take your seat, please. Canada, on its own free will, entered the war in September 1939 because it then realized that Nazi Germany threatened the very existence of Western civilization. Almost from the beginning, Canadians were in the thick of the fighting in the air. The Canadian Army numbered in 1944 about 500,000 men, 5/6 of whom had volunteered for the overseas service. Some of it formed most of the force that suffered disaster at blah 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 blah.
Keenan, stop it. You're so stupid. I like your hair today. Are you gonna buy me KFC today? I'm hungry. Hold on, I have to use the bathroom.
Blah 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 blah.
Miss, I'm gonna use the bathroom.
Blah 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 blah
Must,
blah 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 blah.
must really suck, man. You left beautiful Jamaica to come here. You must be angry. I would have been.
Yeah, but I was forced. So it's kinda.
Don't worry, fam. You're gonna like it eventually. Eventually. I promise.
Really? Don't make promises you can't keep.
Easy, fam. You're gonna like it. Trust me. You're gonna like it. There goes my baby.
You're so stupid, fam. Relax, Keenan. Stop embarrassing me. I don't know who you think he is. You look waste girl. Coming here talking to my man.
I don't know what you're talking about. I wasn't talking to anyone.
Don't try and play stupid. Everybody saw. Who's this dirty guy? Like, who do you think you is? Because you come from Jamaica, you think you're better than somebody in here? Stay away from my man.
God, I don't even know what I could tell him about this. Should I even tell him about what happened with me and Anthony? It's just gonna cause problem in my head yet no. Can't deal with this right now.
My love, what's wrong? Why you seem so upset? I thought you enjoyed your trip. Come, you can talk to me about anything. I won't judge. Believe me. What's going on with you? Why are you so down and out? Octavia, please talk to me, baby. Is your back aching? Do you want me to give you a massage? Come, let me give you a massage.
Do you sell mangoes?
Yo, Diana, what's up? I saw you walking down, so I decided to catch up with you. How you doing?
Listen, I don't want no trouble with you and your girlfriend, so can you please stop talking to me?
Alright, Nadia's my girlfriend and everything, but come on, fam. We kids. Like, we can't be in a serious relationship right now.
Well, I'm in a serious relationship with my boyfriend. He lives in Jamaica. And I really appreciate it if you just leave me alone. I don't want no drama with you and your girlfriend.
So we can't be friends? Come on, man. Don't pay Nadia no mind. She always gets like that. Take my number.
I don't want your number. I'm not giving you mine. Leave me alone. Yeah, Junior, it was awful. The kids are so weird. And this guy and this girl want war with pure foolishness. Mother, I can't even talk to her about nothing. I can't deal with this no more. Yeah, I miss it too so much. She not even know. Can you call Anthony and ask him if I could come back, please? Just ask him, alright? Please, Junior. But can't stay here no longer, alright? Just tell him and make me know what's going on, okay? Please do this for me, Junior. I beg you. Alright, later. Love you too.
Hi Diana, I was wondering if you wanted to play Dollhouse with me.
Yeah, sure. Why not? No problem.
Anthony, you can't keep calling my phone. My husband is home.